Drawboring is a very old woodworking technique that was used more in the past than it is today. It is a technique that was used to greatly increase the strength of mortise and tenon joints. With the drawbore, the joint no longer relies on glue, but can be paired with glue for an even stronger joint. It can be assembled without clamps as the drawbore holds the pieces together. This is particularly useful when the workpiece is an unusual shape that makes the use of clamps difficult. It is made by boring a hole through both walls of the mortise. Then you bore a separate hole through the tenon, but this hole is closer to the shoulder of the tenon. A peg or dowel is driven through the pieces to force the tenon tight. The end of the peg that goes through the hole first is often tapered so it can easily get through the offset. A common problem with mortise and tenon joints is that the joint can open up and develop a gap at the shoulder. This can be caused by shrinkage or seasonal contraction. Because the hole through the tenon is closer to the shoulder, this shrinkage has no effect on the joint. The peg in the drawbore joint keeps the tenon in tension against the mortise during almost any shrinkage. It also allows for woodworkers to work on green wood, and the shrinkage that naturally occurs during drying over time would have no effect on the joint.